Oh my god, so we are on to some cool freaking stuff. So when it happens, the song we're working on with Tony, it has a vocoder cut type of sound in the beginning of it. We don't have a vocoder, but we're trying to mimic a similar sound with it with my VocoLive pedal here. And we've hooked up this MIDI keyboard to it and downloaded a bunch of presets to install that. And we found this and it's awesome. Do it, Beebs.
This is gospel for the fallen ones, trapped away in permanent slumber, exchanging their philosophies in dead and broken memory.
Whoa!
That's too low for me.
Dude. It's awesome.
I feel like I use this. Down in the criminal tongue, against the earth, and I won't forget without fight.
That's so cool. You love me, you love me. That's part doesn't have it. TeraBrite daily vlogs.
When it happens, I won't know you. When it happens, like I told you. When it happens. What if you change it? When it happens, I won't know you. When it happens. No.
It's the low one, yeah.
Because it's only staying, it's playing one chord the whole time, and then it's kind of change. Is it changing? When it happens, I won't know you. When it happens, like I told you.
What's changing? I don't know what it's doing. It's
So you want
weird.
to use that one? Or you want to keep looking?
Well, let's keep looking through all the stuff you got, but I like Dark Swirl. Remember Dark Swirl? Alright, DJ's now a little kid.
Hey, Mommy, I want to play more Xbox. No, I'm playing more Xbox. No, I'm not going to bed. I'm playing Halo. No, get out of my room. What? You, Mom. Hey, guys. What's going on? Yeah. My girlfriend broke up with me today. I'm really sad about it. I don't know what to do. I think I'm going to go get some ice cream or something. Maybe I'll ride my bike or I don't know. I want to go to the movies, something like that. Subscribe to my channel.
Told you when it happens, I won't know you anymore. What you say? What you say? Don't spill my drink.
Oh, that is only been a while. Well, 'cause you did what you say. Oh, and it's all for the best. Because it is. Because it is. For the best. Because it is. Is it clipping?
I don't know. Yeah, it sounds like it's clipping.
Oh no.
So I started playing guitar and I was like, this sounds like a song. And then I heard this weird guy's voice come in my head. It like sounds weird. And then it was like, his singing's like, brownish man, I can't do it. I don't know the words, so try this again. Brownish man, bang. Brownish man, bang. Brown. So it's like. I'm doing too slow. Crap. You like my lyrics, baby? Dude, what song is that for real? It's real, I'm not joking. I mean, those lyrics aren't real. But his voice sounds weird like that. So we just watched the AMAs, and I thought a lot of the people did pretty well. And then there's a few that I don't want to talk about. And I was very, like, I feel like a lot of people get really weird about, like, I can't explain it. I am actually proud of Taylor Swift. I never thought I would say that. There was a day where I hated Taylor Swift, I'm gonna be honest. And I think a lot of people still hate Taylor Swift. Excuse me, I'm having a moment here. DJ. Anyways,
You never hated Taylor.
I did. I hated Taylor Swift. I hated the country. I hated the time when she was singing about I wear things that he wears something, and she was really awkward. Can you watch this? It's gonna die. She was really awkward, and I don't know. I just didn't care about her at all. And then slowly over time, I started to appreciate her more. She was, growing and learning as well, and she accomplished some really big things. And Andrew, get out of here! And I think the award she got tonight was well deserved. So, yay to Taylor Swift. Andrew just got here, so he didn't hear the first part of my thing, but.
You got it.
Congratulations on Katy Perry for winning the Pop Rock Award. What? What's with the whole pop rock thing? They're not rock. It's like Katy Perry versus
Yeah, TeraBrite's pop rock.
It was like Katy Perry, One Direction. They're not pop rock.
Thought he was gonna die.
What's pop rock to you? Because on the AMA it's like now for the award for best pop rock album or something. It was like
pop rock, Nickelback.
That's alternative. That's alternative. I would say Ain't It Fun? Paramore. That's pop rock to me.
Oh yeah, Avril.
But that's kind of alternative as well.
But it was
Avril Lavigne's pop
Yeah.
rock.
It was Katy Perry, One Direction, and someone else that were.
That's
and
all
Lord.
Pop. That's all
Lord.
pop.
Yeah, that's not. Yeah, Lord. That's not pop rock.
That's all pop. Lord is just some indie slut.
What did you think of the AMAs? I can't even talk right now. Leave a comment. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye!
You just got VO'd.
Thank you.
Share your favorite in life. If you don't, you might not be a troll, but you're not very